Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Well. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of record trigger flow in Salesforce. The scenario is whenever lead status change as a close converted, then delete the lead record. So let's move on the Salesforce potential. This is my Salesforce potential of developer R. So let's see the scenario. There is a lead object. I'm opening a lead record. The scenario is whenever lead status, this is a pick list value. So whenever lead status change, right now it is open, if change the close converted and save, then this record will be deleted and will go into the recycle bin. So let's create a lead, let's create a flow. So I'm creating a new flow. I'm selecting record trigger flow and create. Object name will be lead, so I am searching lead. If lead is updated, then so I am selected a record is updated. Condition requirement, condition is if status is equal to close converted. This flow will be executed whenever lead status is equal to close converted. So close converted, after that this flow will be executed. I am changing the layout preform. So if lead status is converted, close converted, then it will be execute. Then there is a delete record. So I am selecting delete record. Delete lead record. Here is a two option. So I will select specify condition. Delete record of this object type. So here I am selecting lead object. Lead record is deleted whenever field name will be lead ID is equal to record dot lead ID. If lead ID is matched to the current lead ID, then done and match the arrow and save the record. So I am saving the flow. Delete lead record. I am saving the flow, then save, then activate this flow. After activating this flow, now I am going to the object of lead. So this is a lead. I am opening one lead. Lead name is Vijay Kumar. So I am duplicating this lead of record. So after deleting, I will refresh, delete or not. So now I am updating this record. So currently it is lead status. Now I am changing to close convert. Then save. After save, this record will be deleted and it will be find in recycle bin. So now I'm opening the recycle bin here. In the recycle bin there is no record. So now I'm updating this record, save, close converted. So delete record has been deleted. Now go to the recycle bin and refresh it. Yes, you can find this record is deleted and stored in the recycle bin. And if you refreshing this record, you will get error because this record has been deleted from lead. Yes. So friends, try to do in your credential. And if you getting anything issue, please write in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.